Okay, here we are at 3711 Fairfield Street. We're going to tour the main house, which was the new addition. We just took a video of the guest house, which we'll piece together. So we got a big 3-car garage there, bunk room on top. Got this tall entryway here, 26-foot ceilings, 12-foot ceilings, mixture there, and 10-foot ceilings also. So when you come in, you got immediate views of the lake. A lot of glass on the lakeside, of course. And here's where we come into 26-foot ceiling, okay? So we have the stairs that takes you up. Got a closet immediately to the left, so nice open space here. Coat rack. So you come in, you got a little bit of family area here with an 8-foot linear fireplace. Tiled accent wall with backlit lights. And again, a lot of glass. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous day outside. And you come get this huge concrete patio area here. Goes the whole width of the house. And in the other video, we went outside and looked around, but we got the green done by Intelligent Turf and Green, so super nice. So we come with a view of the kitchen, huge island, room for dining. You can easily remove this dining room table if you're not going to use it and have all this space for entertaining. Thermidor stove, Thermidor oven with microwave and speed oven, and an extra speed oven in the pantry area. Sub-zero fridge. Thermidor dishwasher, farmhouse style sink. Okay, a lot of lights in this house. Then we have a wet bar area over here, and then we have the guest bathroom, just a half bath right off of here. Okay. And then, let's actually go through the pantry. Just got a lot of cabinets, extra cabinets in this pantry area. And this comes into the mudroom / laundry room. And we come in from the garage. So it's a huge garage. Got in-floor heat throughout. So it's really more of a 3.5 car garage. And there's our daughter's her car taking up the whole thing. So double car right here, but then all this extra space with the workbench and this separate single car here. So security system, cameras, all that good stuff. And it's zoned in-floor heat. There's 5 different zones to select from. So you can come in, you can go to the kitchen, or you can come through the huge master closet. And too many clothes for sure. Then we come into the very generous size master bath. Double vanity, 12-foot ceilings here. And a huge tile shower with body jets. And it's a thermostatic valve there in the shower, so there's no manual valves. You just set the temp up or down, and it's easy peasy. Then we come back into 12-foot ceilings in the master bedroom with easy access out to the patio. And then we come right back into the kitchen. So that's the main floor. As we go up here, behind this picture right here is actually a huge 4-foot crawl space, which is kind of above the old garage area. And so it's a super nice place to put your Christmas decor and all that. It's where the 2 furnaces and the air exchanger are at as well. But you come up here, on this level, we got 10-foot ceilings. This nice media room, glass railing. And we come into the sports room where you're gonna watch the Super Bowl and all the NCAAs. You got 3 TVs here, huge windows, 2 sets of slider windows, another wet bar, and we got a little office area as well. So again, beautiful views of the lake from there. And that comes into the second master, and you'll see another, or a second linear fireplace too. So we got, this is all surround sound in here. Then we got the second master. Comes into, again, another double vanity. A gorgeous tile shower, again with body jets. Thermostatic valve again, so no manual valves. And then all these built-ins for the master closet. And then finally we'll go down this set of stairs after we check out this half bath right there. So we come down the stairs, off to the left we have a workout room. Could be converted into an office, another bedroom, whatnot. Off to the right we have another laundry set, and in the utility area there, full bath with a tub here. And this is another bedroom which we've converted into the nursery. Okay. And finally, if that's not enough space yet, we have this huge bunk room over the garage. And so be super cool to do some built-ins on one of these walls, built-in beds or whatever a person would want to do. So, and this room also is wired for surround sound. So in the ceiling, there's speaker wires ran if a person were to convert this area into, say, a media room, and that's what those wires are, coming out the wall to HDMI and those types of things. So there you go, 3711 Fairfield. Okay, here we are again at 3711 Fairfield Street, and we are going to take a quick tour of the guest house here. Love this little submarine window, style window on this door. Great look. So yeah, again, this is just the guest house, 3-bed, 2-bath with a half basement for laundry and utilities. So when you come in over to the left, you can go up the stairs to 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. And this is also where it can connect to the main house too, down that hallway. And so you come in and you just go a few steps, and then you got all these windows and a door out to the lakeside, where if you recall from the other video, got the turf and the green, and again 108 feet of Lakeshore, so that's very, very good. So you got the main living area, good amount of space, get a big sectional in there. And then off to my left here is the main floor bedroom, again with windows out to lake, and it's just a gorgeous day today, my goodness. And that walks through to the bathroom there with a closet here. Again, this guest house has been all redone, so very nice cabinets, countertops, vanities. That's a tile shower with the tub there. Then we have this kitchen here. Got that little breakfast nook. A lot of storage for this area. Okay. So that gives you a little idea of the main floor. We don't need to go down to the basement, but we'll go up stairs here, and you'll see another nice bathroom here off to our right. Beautiful tile shower, single vanity top, all Kohler sinks. So we got 1 bedroom here with vaulted ceiling, windows out to the lake, and all the siding, all the windows, everything in the whole structure has been replaced. And another bedroom here, same type of window. So very, very functional. We're gonna go ahead and go outside and do just a little tour of this area back here, okay? A lot of boats out today. A lot of tree cover right here, so you get good shade. And again, this is all turf by Intelligent Turf and Greens. Super high quality. It does filter the water also, so it kind of acts like grass. But I tell you what, it is so nice if you have dogs to let your dogs out on the natural on this turf, and when they come back, no dirty feet. So you can see there's a lot of width here. We got 108 feet, like I said before, but the neighbor is quite a ways away over there, and then on this side you don't even see the neighbors because they're kind of tucked behind the house. So there's so much seclusion and so much privacy here. It's wonderful. And we got all these shrubs, and we got the bank here. Dock comes with it. Steps were just replaced last year. Of course, installed a trolley here as well. Kind of give you a whole look at this backside there. Got to have the trolley. There's about 73 steps here, so, but again, the trolley works perfect for getting those coolers up and down. But we just love this bank. We got help from the state to plant wildflowers and whatnot, and so we've done that as well. But the views from up here are just tremendous. So there you go.